At word family, replacing the initial sound. At, we will be putting a B in front of the at. That gives us bat. We will be replacing the B with a C. Cat, we will be replacing the C with an H. Hat, we will be replacing the H with an F. Fat, we will be replacing the F with an M. Mat, we will be replacing the M with a P. Pat, we will be replacing the P with an R. Rat, we will be replacing the R with an S. Sat, we will be replacing the S with the CH. Chat, we will be replacing the CH with the BR. Brat, we will be replacing the BR with an FL. Flat, we will be replacing the FL with the TH. That, and we will be replacing the TH with an SC. Scat,